Google Slides is a great way to build presentations online. But what if the internet is down? What if you need to work but don't have a connection? Fortunately, Google Slides has you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Slides offline when the internet is down. When you work with Google Slides offline, premium templates are your best friend. They help you make a great impression every single time. And the best source for these templates is Envato Elements. Elements is a creative resource with a powerful offer: unlimited downloads. For a flat monthly rate, you can download and use as many Google Slides templates as you want. Plus, that's not all. Elements also include stock photos, fonts, and more. These are all digital assets that you can include in your next presentation. For this tutorial, we'll be working with the Sparrow Creative Agency Google Slides template on Envato Elements. I have it open in Google Slides here, and you can see some of the amazing slide layouts as I scroll through the deck. Now, let's learn how to use Google Slides offline. The first thing that you'll need to do is choose the right web browser. Google recommends their own Chrome browser to work in Google Slides offline. Or if you're using Windows, you can also use Microsoft Edge. Next up, you'll need to install the Google Docs offline Chrome extension. Extensions are basically add-ons to Chrome that provide you new features. To add this one, go to the Google Chrome Web Store as you're seeing me do here. The extension you need is called Google Docs Offline, and it lets you use Google Drive apps without an internet connection. I'll click Add to Chrome here and then give the needed permissions. Finally, I'll choose Add Extension to get it installed. Next up, let's go back to the presentation in Google Slides. What we need now to do is activate offline mode, which works with the Chrome extension. To do that, click on the hamburger menu, which is these lines here in the upper left corner. It's these three horizontal lines stacked here. When you click it, you'll see a list of options, and the one you need is Settings. Click Settings and another menu will launch. Notice this offline toggle switch in the center. Choose it to activate Google Slides offline mode. Now you're ready to work offline. When you have offline mode active, you can specify what files you want to use offline. Find your list of files here and then right-click on its name. Again, you'll see an Available Offline toggle button. Click it to make the selected file available offline. When you work on Google Slides offline, you'll see a message alerting you that you are offline. It's key to understand what does and doesn't work when you use Google Slides offline. You can still make individual changes and edits when you work by yourself, but Google Slides team collaboration features won't work offline in real time. As you edit, Google Slides won't save changes in real time. Instead, changes will be logged and then saved when you return to an internet connection. At that point, they'll be visible to other users with access to your slide decks. Thinking of how to make better Google Slides presentations? Don't forget, your font choice is a big part of your personal style. As an Envato Elements subscriber, you also have access to thousands of custom fonts. These work perfectly to help your presentation shine. Browse the vast font library and download your favorites today. Offline mode isn't the only way to view and work with Google Slides offline. Imagine that you prefer a different browser or still need to work with others while offline. In this case, you can always download your Google Slides presentation. You can view or edit it without Wi-Fi. To download your slide deck, go to the File, Download menu in the upper left corner as you're seeing me do here. You'll see many format choices. The trick is to choose the one that works best for what you need to do. If you only need a viewable, readable copy of your presentation, choose PDF. PDF files are viewable on many devices and don't need special software. Or, if you need to make offline edits, choose the .pptx Microsoft PowerPoint option. When you select this one, Slides will download a PowerPoint copy of your slide deck. With that app installed, you can make edits with no need to connect to the internet. Remember, Google Slides is by design an online platform. Of course, we've just learned how to use Google Slides offline, but keep in mind the constraints that come when you work offline. Some features like grammar and spelling checks won't work offline. The same is true for downloading files and collaborating with others. All of these features reactivate when you go back online. As you can see, it's easy to work offline in Google Slides. This ensures that you can stay productive from anywhere, even if the internet is down. That's thanks to Google Slides offline features and premium templates from Envato Elements. With thousands of premium custom designs to choose from, what are you waiting for? Browse the template collection, join today, and download your favorites. Before you go, don't forget to like this video. Then subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There you'll find more helpful tutorials along with content roundups, courses, and so much more. You can't afford to miss out. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks so much for joining me.